Mamaya, pandar mo muna yung tripod.
Wait, wala mo na ako may sounds na ako. Tumara pa. Mada. Mada. Tara ka. Tara. Meron. Ayan.
Ay, kaya man, may pala ko tayo kaya dito yun.
Ay, sige, may sounds na ako niyan. What? 6 people here. Hi. Yo, wow. Thank you for the likes. Carlos Estrada. Hi, Carlos. Angelo Monasio. Say Angelo Monasio. Melvin. Hello, beautiful. Hi, Melvin. How are you? I'm fine. Ganda mo. Hello. Carlos. Oh my God, Carlos. Cargias. I'm from Philippines. Robert. Hi, Sir Robert. Wingate. Hello. Thank you for joining, Sir Robert Wingate. We're in the Philippines. I'm from Bicol Province, Philippines. Sir Robert. Si Bellissima. Thank you so much. 12 people in the house. Do you want to come to Brazil? Stay with me. Why I need to come to Brazil and stay with you? Why? Stephen Clancy, can you put a white top on short dress? Who are you to command me? Stephen. Why should I follow you? Who are you? Who are you? The Millions, baby. Many more lovers. It would be like nice on you. Thank you to those someone who sending the art. Thank you so much. Oh my God. How are you? How are you? What part of the... I am from Bicol Province, Philippines. Sir Robert Windy, Bicol Province, Philippines.
Nice.
Good evening. Hi, Ian. Hi, Feli. Hi, Feli. Thank you, Feli. Where are you from, Feli? Livers Calancy. Pretty. Thank you. You look great. The millions baby. Thank you, 13 people in the house. And 6 likes. Thanks so much. Lalaine Morelio. Hi, hello, Atiwa 60. Stomach turn from Koya Jello. Oh my god. Anthony. Hi, Anthony. You're beautiful. Thank you, Burnett Webster. Hello from San Francisco, California. Hi, Philip from San Francisco, California. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining here. Hallie. Hello from Chile, of Vania del Mar City. Where are you from, Princess? I'm from Philippines. I'm the land from Philippines. Johnny Zuniga from Texas. Hi, Johnny. Nice to meet you here, guys. Kuya Dre, guess who back? I. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Robert Wingate, very cute. What province? Bicol Province, Philippines. What time o'clock in the Philippines? Time here now in the Philippines, 9:20 in the evening. Love your outfit. Thank you, Felly. You makes my morning. Oh, 9:20 in the evening here. Jamie Vargas. Hi, Jamie Vargas. Kuya Dre, welcome back. Hello. Thank you, Felly. Maskiven Sidor. In Chile is a time of like 10:20 a.m. Okay. Bicol, did you say yes? Bicol province. Yes, Bicol. Sir Robert Bicol. Rodden. Hi, Rodden. Sir Rodden. Hope you pass Road 10 for Road 11. Going to Road 11. Stock up at Road 10. Yeah, Bicol province. Thank you. I'm from Bicol province, Philippines. Manila City, no. Bicol. Bicol province. Bicolana. I'm Bicolana. Bicolana. Bicol. Thank you for being you, Burnett Webster. Thank you, Sir Burnett. 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 Hello. Hi, Ramirez. Are you married? I'm not married. I have a one kid, 40 years old. I'm not. How many hours are you from Manila? 12 hours. 12 hours from Bicol. From here to Manila, 12 hours. Sometimes it's 15 hours because of the traffic. I'm not married. Never been married. Girls of Philippines who is very beautiful. Congratulations. My God. Thank you, 11 people. 11 people here. Thanks. How old are you? I'm 40 years old. 40. 40. You're all that handsome. Thank you, Barnett Webster. Burnett Webster. I'm 40 years old, guys. Getting old. Okay. Sending many all of them. Thank you so much, 10 people in the house. Sending money, money, more lover. Sending money, money, love. You look younger than that. Yeah. Really, thank you for thanks, Robert. Maybe because I'm small. That's why. That's why I look younger than my age. I'm turning 41 this coming February. Oh my god. Getting older. 16 people. Thanks so much. Sending money, money, my lover. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much for now. Why you say that for now? Well, as obviously I've never been married. Wala asawa. Dahil nagka-problema ng asawa. Turn around, Ramirez. Why, when I come back to the Philippines, you want to hang out with the cano? You can bring a bodyguard if you want. We can go see, yes, we can go to some beaches. I will tour you guide here if you come here in the Philippines. I will tour you going to the beaches here. Beautiful beaches. Urbana. No Bana. You need to come to California. California. Thank you, Felly, but I think going there is it's not no, the paperwork's and expensive, you know. Not so easy. Easy to see, but not so easy to do it. That's why. So easy to say. Thank you, 22 people here now. Thank you, Hegs. Thank you so much. Do you work? I'm working here. Jacob. 22 people in the house. Thank you so much. People. 23 people here. Thanks a lot. Jacob didn't clear. Thank you so much, guys. 25 people. Do, do, do. You need to know. I need you harder, harder. Love me harder. Love me harder. Where are you from, guys? Let me know where you're from. Love me harder. Love me harder.
Bye-bye.
Cause you and I. Cause you and I'm coming back there in May. Ah, you have family here, or do you have a Filipino girlfriend? asawa, pamilya here in the Philippines. Sir Robert, did you have a good Christmas? Yeah, really good Christmas. But if you want to send a gift, I'm willing to accept. Henry Luna. Hi, Henry Luna. Thank you, 18 people in the house. Thank you so much. Oh my god. No, never, Henry Luna. I'm not like, I'm not with that. I live sa Antique for 10 years. Dating asawa la. Ah, bakit? Why dating asawa? You have new asawa. You have new asawa sa Robert Wingate. Thank you, seven. Thank you for the likes. 17 million here now. I'm serious, Cheryl. I love your province. Up lots to do there. Thank you, Squid Ray. Thanks, Squid Ray. She was she was Makawat. Oh, what? She's like materialistic. She's materialistic. She's Makawat. Hi there. Hi, Ramesh. Where are she from? Here. Where is she here? Ah, Antique. Antique. Oh my God. She was Makawat. The materialistic woman. That's why they are like that. Something like that. Mm, materialistic. Yes, very much. So, do you have meaning like what the busy means? I can't see it in English, but um, maybe busy like I can see it in English. That's why maybe she ano like smakawat. She have a busy. Hi Feli from Feli. What are you going to do for New Year's Eve? Uh family reunion. New Year's Eve, my my brother in Manila going here in Bicol. We get together here, family, playing, uh, like gathering, family gathering. That's one of every year that needs to celebrate. That will be fun. Yeah. My name is Cheryl. Siripon ka na. Punas, ispupun, ayaw doon pagpunas eh. Ano, tama na muna yan, kaya siripon ka na. Uy, you smile cute. You smile cute. Mm. 16 people in the house. Thank you so much. 13 likes. The time here, time check here, 9:33 p.m. 16 people. Thank you so much. Madamon ko daw muna si Kuya saglit. Madam lang. Thank you, 20 people. Thank you so much. Thank you for 10 people in the house. Thank you so much. 19 people. I am 3 hours advance of you. Where are you from, Sir Robert? Okay, ba? Where are you from, Sir Robert? Are you looking for a serious relation? No, I'm not looking. I'm not looking. Australia. Okay, Australia. Wow. Nice to meet you. From Australia, Robert. Wingate. Wingate. You're Wayne. Your gate is Wayne. The Wingate. Valley. Oh. Dun, 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 dun. Can I get to love me harder? Love me harder. Love me. Harder, harder, harder. You smile very cute. Thank you, Ramesh. He is lip girl. Say hi, Rick. Thank you, Rick, for joining here. I got very sick when last here and had to come. Oh, why? Why? Sleep girl. Huh. Nice hairstyle. Oh, thank you, Ramesh.
Ulit.
14 people in the house. Thank you so much. 15. And if you really love me, God, I had problems. What is your problem? Money problem. You from? I'm from Philippines. Oh, who's? Oh, the heart. You have a broken hearted. Oh my God, broken hearted is. I'm not expert about that because I don't like to. But I'm I'm not smart about that. Broken hearted. I think I'm not. I'm not. I'm not. Um. Very good. Thank you, Ramesh. Look at Ramesh. Very cute daw. 10 people here. Thanks a lot. I am Malaysia. Malaysia. What is that? Malaysia. And if you really love me, You are very small, right? Yeah. That's why I'm so small. Very small. Baby, what you I'm doing live, Ramesh. Sitting and talking on the cam. Oh my god. Mm, 15 people. 16 million here. Thanks a lot. Ramesh. Feel my god. Fell sleeping. Um, lots of what to go. No late night live tonight, sure. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I'm doing live late. That depends on the mood. Hello, Anthony. Bona. Hi. Lots of good things. Come on, small packages. Small packages. Wow, very nice dress. Thank you, Ramesh. Love to know. Oh my god, no. Bang bang. And if you really love, gonna get you love me harder. Thank you, 19 people here. Thank you so much. Dance around me, love me. Idorog na gab. Hi, H19. 79 ml. Thank you so much, Raiko. Go. You really love me, gotta get you love me harder, love me harder. Gabriel. Hoy, hoy, Gab. Tulog na. Bararaktaan mo tamo. Kaano mo tama na yun? Daw, manggarod ka na. Ganda mo naman, te. Bak sa camera lang yan. Nakakapiki yung ano ganda. Rubber stars. I got lung cancers. So they took out my right lung. Huh? Oh my god. What happened? No. Who will stand out super chat anyone? I think I don't know. Maybe midnight. At the midnight. At the midnight, the generous people at the generous people at the midnight. late at night. Awesome. 27 people here. Thank you. Mauricio. Hi, Mauricio. Mauricio. Different name. Mauricio. Sounds like Italian. So I find hard to breathe when it in it. Oh, really sorry, Robert, Sir Robert. Ladish Nalnegi. Hope you fell. Hope you hell. No, hindi. Gusto mo, i-apa ko to sa mukha mo. Gusto mo, i-apa ko to sa mukha mo. Hindi siya malinis. Hindi rin malinis ang mukha mo. Eric Lobeng Giger, you're a beautiful woman. Thank you, Eric. Um, Marisha. Thank you, 30 people in the house. Thank you so much. 18 likes. And if you really love me, gonna get your love. Alright, I'm from USA. Nice to meet you, Eric. Robert Zoza, Bisaya. From Bisaya. Robert Sosa. 21 people. Thank you so much. Di ko inakala. Doon pala. 44 a private chat. No. Graham Wilson. You hung off? Hung off of what? And I thought I would be right here. I just can't compare you with anything else. Bilis mo. 25. Thank you for sending the heart. To those sending heart, thank you so much. Cute nose. Nice. Thank you, Ethan people. Thank you so much. Would you like me to come and see you when I come there? Yes, sir. Why not, Sir Robert? 19 likes. Thank you so much for the 19 likes. 9 people in the house. Thank you. Thank you so much for staying, for watching. Thanks a lot. Oh my god, I'm almost up. No, I don't have. Sorry. 19 people. Aray ko. 19 people in the house. Thank you so much. How many hours from Naga? 3 hours from Naga. 3 hours from Naga going here. You drink or smoke? No, I'm not smoke, but I'm drink. Occasionally, I drink occasionally, but I'm not smoke. I don't smoke. I'm not smoking. I don't like smoke. I drink occasionally. Thank you, 16 people in the house. Thank you so much. What do you, I'm always thinking about a lot because, what the future I have when I'm getting old. I overthink a lot always. Okay, bye. Good night. Goodbye, Ramesh. Sleep well. God bless you. Thank you, Sir Robert Fensgate. Something. 27 people here. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. A little, warm weather here now. Warm weather. Bennett Webster. Hello. Thank you for the likes. 27 people in the house. Oh my god. Happy channel. Tando I red horse. Red horse. Tando I or red horse. I chose red horse. But I'm not drink always. I just drink occasionally. Like party, fiesta, Pasko, Merry Christmas. Missing you. Missing me. Kuya Dre, 20 views on last night. Yeah, 20 views. Oh my god. I felt so. Oh my god. I'm happy last night. Oh my god. Uh, First time. Almost 200 join the live. Both are good drinks. No, Tantua is not my taste. I don't like the taste, but I like red horse. The most like the cold. Sure has a headache. Yes, headache. But it's fine. I take medicine. Royal Flores. Royal Flores. Oh my god. It's like feeling headache when I close the screen. Too much close on the screen. Yeah. Thank you so much. Oh my god, 36 people here now. Thank you. 20 likes. Ang ganda talaga niya. Ang ganda talaga. Um, 21 likes now. Hey, okay, Harry. Brilliant. Huh? It's at the marathon. 34 people in the house. Thank you so much. 35. Happy channel. It's a must to be happy. Everybody should be happy. Terry Hosteller. What time is it here for you? Time here? 9:53 in the evening. Oh my God, 42 people here now. Kuya Dre, 42 now. So, 23 people in the house giving hit the likes. Ouch. You're always looking so beautiful. Thank you, Verne Webster. Anay Elton Carvalho. Oilinda. William de la Cruz. William de la Cruz. Thanks. 33. Hello. You see something, guys? You can ask Jerome. Hi, Jerome. Good evening. Nadikit na po kita, idol. Oh, thank you, Sir Jerome. You're very beautiful. You're every beautiful. Thank you, Terry. Hi, David. David Sonten. Hello. Anna Elton. Anna Elton. Anna Elton. Sometimes someone's gonna look. Oh my God. William, why are you laughing? I don't understand just saying an Elton. You're welcome, idol. Thank you, Jerome. Emil Sanford. Hi, Emil Sanford. Chris Red. Are you smoking cigarettes? No, I'm not smoking cigarettes. I'm not. No smoke. No, I'm not smoking. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, William. How about you? How are you? How are you? Hello. Hi, hello. How are you? Dancing in the moonlight. 29 people in the house. Thank you so much.
Hello.
25. 25 people here. Thanks a lot, guys. 23 likes. Thank you so much. Dancing in the moonlight. Oh. Where the snow is falling down, driven by the all around, light it turning on, like a fairy tale comes through. Sitting flat fire with me, and your soul and I pray I will find someone. Baby, I found you. How are you feeling? I'm feeling fine. My God, I'm good. David Sontem. David Sontem. In the answer when I pray, I'll find someone. Baby, I Oh, William, what is that? I don't understand what he's saying. Find someone, baby, I found you. I wanna see how you forever. All I need is you more, baby. You can see my heart, whenever I get you. I think for the pain, for the guess. Take medicine, Shell. Doesn't make sense to sit there with headache. Yeah, I already take. Done, Kuya. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Because I'll find someone. Oh, 26 people in the house. Thank you so much. William de la Cruz. Kumusta ang Pasko? Masigayang Pasko. Maligayang Pasko. Maligaya. I'll find someone. Baby, I found you. All I want is to have you forever. My God, my gulay, my God, my gulay. What it is? 28 people. Thank you so much. Oh, what? Kumusta ka, aking mahal? Sana ay nasama ko ka. Ako'y huwag mga Rosario Losabel. Javier Mariega. Hi, Javier. Javier Mariega. Thank you, 34 people. Thank you so much. How was work today? Uh, it's fine. Job well done. Job well done work today. Isla Boneta. Isla Boneta. Isla Boneta. Isla Boneta. Ba-da-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. Mm. Another makakatilabi I fell on Gilbert, what is your job? My job is uh, like volunteer here. The volunteer about nutrition. Like we're giving the kids, we monitor about the children, we monitor the children, undernourished and overnourished children, 0 to 59 months. Yeah, all about nutrition, related nutrition. We monitor their nutritional status. Wow. Hey, hey, hey. Maganda. Hi, gandang gabi, idol. Hi, Joel Girls. Kumusta? Salamat sa pagpunta. Thank you for joining the live, Joey. Sinong nasabi magkakatinglatin? Bababae daw ako. Rosario. Me, PSA, Amoy, and Bell. Sino? Sinong may sabi? Thank you, 28 people here. Manuel Santos. Oh, welcome back, Manuel. Welcome back. Manuel. Thank you. Thank you so much. Beautiful girl. Beautiful girl. Manuel Santos. 32 people. Thank you so much for 32 people. 36 likes. Thank you so much. Too quiet, the 32 people. Thank you so much for reaching the watchtower. Oh my God. Malayo pa, pero malapit na pero malayo pa. Ang hirap ma-reach yung goal. Puyat. Alam mo puyat. Hard work pays off. Mimi! Bababae daw ako. Sino may sabi magkakatinglapit? Ay, Wow, no airport near your area, no. Yeah, the airport is San Legazpi, Bicol. Very far here, the airport, near here. No, far here. Oh my god, that's why. Mm, 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 mm. 20 people. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for that. Oh my god. Nantok na ako. To everyone. Hi, beautiful lady. How are you? I'm fine, Rick. How was your night going? Going. Nothing. What do you mean? Gustosa Bombe. Anton Zos. Brazil. From Brazil. Anton Cruz from Brazil. Thank you. Lock white. Lock. Lock. No. Not unlock white. I'm just looking tired. I'm just tired. I woke a lot. It's a night house girl. It's a minute. Every time I sing, I'll keep you company. So beautiful. Love. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, maybe you should take rest. Tatay daw, tatay. Tatay? Can't sleep, still can't sleep. Even I want to sleep but can't sleep. Good evening, beautiful. Hi, from Cebu. Mabel, Mabel Bajian. Mabel Bajian from Cebu. Thank you from Cebu. Wait. Tatay. Bye-bye. Bye. I need to. Oh, let's eat. Oh, what? Rosario. Hi, Rosario. Guyabano po. Guyabano. Guyabano fruit. What? Guyabano. They said it's antioxidant, something like that. Good for cancer. The guyabano. I think I tried before. Yeah, maybe you tried before it. Before it's a guyabano, like sweet and sour. A little, as it's sweet but a little asim. What time here now? 10. Still early. Cheryl, I challenge you to game of basketball. Where? Here? Here? I play here. If I win, what a prize. $100 US win. Huh? Really? Where I can play basketball? Have a game here. I should I game? I have a game here. Oh wait, play game here. Wait lang. I think basketball. Oh my god. Ah, here. Okay, play. How I play? Challenge. How I play? I'm still loading. Chat. Wait, wow. It's still loading. Huh? Oh my god, I don't know. Oh my god. What? Ah, it's me. Then what should I say? Oh, oh no. Will. Oh my god. Yeah, sige babe. What happened? Cheater. I don't know. What is how I know? I don't know. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. No way. I am real. Okay, Unreal. Okay. Tomorrow I will play basketball. What should I what should I do? Just just ano? Just I shot the ball. Just I shot the ball. Hello, video game basketball. I just shot the ball. Only me. I just shot the ball, Kuya Dre. Dun, dun, dun. Shoot mo na ang ball. Thank you so much. 8 people. 29 likes. I thought it's game here. I don't understand. I'm just excited maybe. Tagalas Piñas, Metro Manila, i-text dito sa chat kung sino ay Tagalas Piñas. Wow. For the first time. Challenge game basketball. Oh my god. Oh, need to make 3 shots in a row. Oh, 3 shots in a row. Okay. Okay. 3 shots in a row. 3 shots in a row. Oh my god. Practice makes perfect. For $100. Oh my god. For New Year's Eve. For New Year's. To buy the red horse. I will make it, Kuya Dre. Practice makes perfect. Oh my god. Stop what you got. Thank you so much. Eating people. Rafael. So the 1,000 what it means. What's up? I'm Richie. Nice to meet you. Hi Richard. Demacia. Hello. Nice to meet you too. Baby my heart step rest. 33. I need to drink one with horse before. Oh, oh my god. Okay. I think I can do that. Can you stand up? Why, Richard? Why, Richard? "21 people. How old are you? I'm 40 years old. 40, Richard. I think you would be really fun to be around. Yeah. Maybe tomorrow I will try. Shoot. Oh my god. But I think not drink with horse. I can't do that. I feel drunk. One bottle, I feel drunk. I, yeah. What province are you in? Bicol province, Philippines. You have 3 months to prepare for this challenge. I will be back in. Okay. 3 months. Baby, my heart still has. Okay, sir, Kuya Dre. I prepare for it. My life. Do you have any children? I have one kid. I have one kid. And you? Are you married? I read hers is part of the rule. Okay. Not readers, maybe some like apple. Not readers. I can't read hers. I can. I can. Joseph Lalagona. Good evening po, madam. Pag-shoutout po sa mga kong asawa na nakahawak. Ang OA mo, Joseph. Papansin ka. Feel mo yung kagwapuhan mo. Di naman. Kailangan mo pa sabihin yan. Papahiya mo pa yung asawa mo. Wala ka sigurong bayag. Tama ba yan, Gali? Papahiyain mo yung asawa mo. Tamang lalaki ka ba? Nakakahiya ka. Alam mo ba yan? Alam mo, i-shoutout mo pa yan dito yung asawa mo. Papahiya mo pa talaga asawa mo. Kadiri. Proud na proud ka yan sa sinasabi mong yan. Once to apologize. Sapato si ano yun. My life at yun. Ay nako. My God. No. Joseph, respect your wife. No need to, ano yan, no need to say that. Wala kang kwentang lalaki. Alam mo ba yun, Joseph? Alam mo, papaya mo, isa-shoutout mo, papaya mo pa talaga sa buong madlang people yung asawa mo. Anong klase kang lalaki? My God. Hindi nakakatuwa. Hindi nakakalalaki yan. Kayabangan niya. Pa-shoutout ka pa, pahiya mo yung asawa mo. Bastos ka. Sarap mo umbagin. Asawa nga tapos tama ba yan? Nakaka-trip yung ganyang lalaki. Yung porket naging asawa na nila, yung alam mo naman, nako. Kung makapagsalita, akala mo hindi nagmakaawa. Akala mo hindi nagmakaawa para iwan, para sagutin, tapos ngayon sabihin, ay, just me. Yeah. Don't me, Joseph. Wag ako. Yabang lang yan. Dong. Yabang. Ta, ta, ta. 26 people in the house. Thank you so much. Oh, 31 likes. Oh my God. 31 likes. Hi, Dion. Morning, beautiful. Thank you, Dion. How are you, Dion? Thank you, John. Thank you, 32 people in the house. Ano, 32 likes. 26 people. Nagkamali-mali na. I'm doing all right. I just woke up. Where are you from, Dion? Ooh, oh my god. Oh my god. 13 people. No. No. I'm some I'm from South Georgia and you're South. Me, I'm from Philippines, Asia. Hello you, Dong Dong. Hello you. Hello me. How are you? Malupit. South Georgia. We're twin. You're twin. You're South. You're from South Georgia. Pedre. 25 people. Wow, galing naman. We're twin. Huh? Oh, wow. Is your twin? Dion? What? Lola. Wawa. Flying kiss. Wawa. Bakit? They just made. Hmm. Bakit? Aray ko, kiss. Kiss. Go. Bye-bye. I like your vibe. Ah, thank you. Thank you, Dion. Good vibes. 21 people. Thanks a lot. Hindi po. Hindi po, not twin. Twin is slang English. Ah, okay. Twin is slang. Twin is slang like same place maybe. Sorry. Hindi po. Opo. Eighteen people. What ba, Pogi? May na agad dyan. May na agad. Oh my God. Almost 1 hour and 30 minutes doing live. Almost 2 hours. I try to sleep, guys. I need to sleep or chicken up. Thank you so much for watching. If I can't sleep, I do live. It depends on the mood. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you next live. Love you all. Bye-bye.